Air. Air can't be seen, tasted, smelled. A mysterious element without properties, or so it seems. In aerodynamics, air becomes force. The forces acting on a car as it drives. The drag force is one of the most important factors influencing the driving range of electric vehicles. For us aerodynamicists, air isn't an adversary. It's a source of stimulation, curiosity, and challenges. In the wind tunnel, we accelerate it. And then it begins to interact with the Audi e-tron GT. We follow its path, we analyze its flow and study its turbulence. We guide it and listen to it. We channel air through air curtains and across the wheels, over the wing mirrors and quattro blisters to the rear spoiler. Our goal is to achieve perfect harmony between all these details. We want the efficient shape of this Gran Turismo to offer as little resistance to the air as possible, because we derive aesthetics from efficiency. I'm Moni Islam, Head of Aerodynamics and Aeroacoustics Development at Audi.